So right here you can see that the views have increased to 27. All right, so let me refresh again. Let's see. You can see it's now 75. Let me refresh again. You can see 77. Let me refresh again. You can see 86. Let me refresh again. You can see 120, right? So you can see that this thing that we did is just very legit, and it's very fast. It reflects immediately, right? So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to boost your TikTok views in Ghana, and it's very simple. So it's important for you to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website where you are going to be using to boost your TikTok views in Ghana. This website is called growbettergh.com. As you can see right here on the screen, this is exactly how the website looks like when you come to this website. So the first thing I'm going to be teaching you guys is how to create an account in this website. All right, so what you're going to do is for you to just come down right here, and you're going to see the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up? All you need to do is for you to actually click on the sign up, right? So once you tap on the sign up, it's going to bring you to this particular place, and what you need to do right here is for you to just create a username. And while creating a username, do not give a space. You just need to write it together, and also put your email. Once you put your email, the next thing, you create a password and then confirm your password. Once you've confirmed your password, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this "I'm not a robot" and tap on it. All right. So once you tap on it, they are going to tell you to select a bus. Right, as you can see, this particular one, they said select all square with motorcycle. If there is none, click skip. All right, but right now we can't click skip because there is a motorcycle. You just need to select the motorcycle, understand, or select all the buses and click on next. And right here they say we should select another one with buses, right? So we just need to select it and click on verify. So once you click on verify, you can see it has been verified. Right, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually click on the sign up, and immediately your account will be created. But also, because I already have an account, there is no need for me to start creating a new account from the beginning. So I just need to log into my account and continue teaching you guys how to boost your TikTok views in Ghana. So let's go. So right now guys, you are welcome back. I've logged into my account. As you can see the way it is, right? So let's go straight to the point, right? So if you want to boost your TikTok views in 2025 in Ghana, all you need to do is for you to just come to this category. Can you see this category right here? Can you see the category? You just need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you need to go and scroll down and look for TikTok views. As you can see right here, can you see TikTok views right here? You can see TikTok views right here. All you need to do is for you to just tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to these services right here. Can you see the services right here? So once you tap on the services, you need to come right here and check the particular ones you want. You can see this particular one is instant, and it costs 0.4 cedis. See, you can see different prices, right? So all you just need to do is for you to actually select the one that you want. I'll select the first one, and once you select the one that you want, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually read the description. Right here they say the minimum I can order right here is 100, and the max I can order is 100 million views. And also here they said the link type is the video link. So the link you are going to be using in this particular service is your video link, that particular post that you want. Don't use your profile link. If you use your profile link, it will not work, right? And the quality is global users. And right here they say statuses are reflected late in the service. And also they say note, when the service is busy, the processing speed varies. Do not place a second order to the same link before your order is completed in the system. So what they actually mean right here is that once you place an order on a link, you have to excite patient until that particular order complete before you place another order on that particular link. Because if you place another order on that link, understand, and the one you place is still going, it's going to delay the both orders, right? So once you place an order, make sure that that order that you place is completed before you place another one. So after reading the description, the next thing you need to do is for you to just come to this link right here and paste your link. All right, so if you don't know how to actually copy your link, I'm going to be showing you guys right there. Let's go to TikTok. Let me show you how to copy your link. Right, so all you need to do is for you to come to TikTok. Okay, right here I'm on this TikTok, and as you can see, this particular video, right, this particular video have only 10 views. You can see right this now, it has only 10 views. So that's what we are going to be using in this particular tutorial. So I don't need to select the video, and once you select the video, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this three dots right here. Can you see these three dots right here? You just need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are going to come and see this copy right here. Can you see this copy right here? You just need to tap on the copy, and once you tap on the copy, it's already copied. And you just come back to Grow Better and paste your link. And once you paste your link, the next thing you need to do is for you to enter quantity, which is the amount of views that you want. Right here, I'm going to place 100. Right, so I'm going to enter 100, and once I enter 100, as you can see, the next thing I need to do right here is for me to just click on the submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Once you tap on the submit, right, as you can see, my order have been received. Right here they said your order received, right? So which means that this order I just made is now received, and small time these views will start counting in that particular video that we just copied right here. So but there is something I want you guys to understand, that is this platform, all these things you're buying is not free, right? So you just need to pay money for you to actually get all this, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to fund an account in this platform, right? So what you're going to do right here is for you to just come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, by your left hand side you are going to see this add fund. Can you see this add fund right here? Can you see the add fund? You just need to tap on the add fund and understand. So once you tap on the add fund, then the only payment method that is here is manual payment, and what you're going to do is to read the instruction right here. You can see the instruction stated make your payment to this account below. You can see the account number, right, and you can see Momo, and you see that it's MTN, right? So you can see the name on the Momo, right? So make sure that you made the account, you made the payment correctly. You know, make sure that the name is what is appearing while making your transfer. Understand? So the next thing is you just need to do is to copy the account number and go and make transfer. And after making the transfer, you can see right here they say provide proof of payment, which is screenshot with your username, so that your payment can be confirmed and completed, right? Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Contact us. So what I'm going to do is just click on this link to get to their admin, or click on this contact us to get to their admin. Or if you cannot do all of them, just come to this WhatsApp logo right here. Can you see this WhatsApp logo right here? Tap on the WhatsApp logo, and it's going to take you direct to their WhatsApp, and you just need to send your proof of payment and your username, and they're going to complete this payment for you, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So what you need to do basically in this platform is just for you to come and create an account. After creating an account, then you just fund your account and now place order just the same way I just showed you in this video. So let's go to that TikTok and check if our views is already reflecting. So right here you can see that the views have increased to 27. All right, so let me refresh again. Let's see. You can see it's now 75. Let me refresh again. You can see 77. Let me refresh again. You can see 86. Let me refresh again. You can see 120, right? So you can see that this thing that we did is just very legit, and it's very fast. It's reflect immediately, right? So this is exactly how to boost your TikTok views in Ghana. So thank you all for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.